Okay.
A little bit about myself. I'm a former teacher from Chicago Public Schools. Back in the early 90s, I decided to quit the schools and go back to corporate America because I felt that I could make a difference. So went back and became a pre-sales engineer. And one of the markets that I was covering was the educational sector. So, and my task was to be a project manager slash network engineer to design wireless infrastructure for Chicago Public Schools, as well as non-for-profits. So, by me being a teacher and spending 95% of my time in the schools, I got a pleasure to see how kids learn and how teachers were applying the technology that I was implementing. So from that, I designed a robotics STEM enrichment program initiative on how inner city kids learn. And so my programs have allowed me to make powerful contacts as well as achieve awards that I thought that I would have never achieved. For example, I'm a member of the National Society of Black Engineers. And this is one award for engineers that display community service as well as innovative ideas. Got that back in 2006. Got this plaque here for civil engineers with the National Society of Black Engineers for my radio control RC racing program. As well as this baby here is the Golden Torch Award, which is the Grammy of the National Society of Black Engineers. Got this in 2007, and this was really cool because I never appreciated how big and how valuable this award is. It was over 10,000 people. It was like going to the Grammys, tuxedos everywhere. And this is really cool because the same year, along the awardees, was the gentleman that created fiber optics, a couple of African Americans who command a fleet of nuclear subs, and a young African American woman who works with the energy department. She make atom bombs. And then it was me for my community service and my engineering enrichment programs. And these here, I got some more medals, but these are medals from my enrichment programs from different students. For example, that's a Lego robotic award. That's another one, and this one here is a very special one. This is a U.S. First Midwest Robotic Conference Award, and this was in 2007, and I had a group of high school students from the inner city that had never been exposed to robotics. So I had the daunting task of teaching them robotics, a crash course in 10 weeks, and have them compete in this very complex and elaborate robotic competition. And out of 60 Midwest teams, high school teams, they were 13th out of 60 teams. And at the end of the competition, they were seated number 2 overall competition. So these were inner city kids in a high-risk gang area that have never been exposed to any type of technology like this, and they were able to excel at that level. Made me quite proud, as well as the city and the Chicago Public Schools. So I take great pride in what I would love to do is to bring this pride, because these are the kids that will faithfully watch me on Top Engineer, and I think it'll be a great inspiration to them, as well as it will force me to elevate my game in a big way that could be a model to help my community. And my destiny, my goal in life is to be a digital George Washington Carver, where it's that I bring solutions, technology, and that's going to benefit my community as well as the people that I love and serve. And that's my driving motivation for wanting to be on Top Engineer. Thanks. Bye.